Ready? Start. As far as agricultural income tax or its inclusion along with other incomes for purposes of income tax is concerned, it is a very good thing. I agree because businessmen were funneling lots of black money into agriculture and ultimately converting it into white money. But at the same time, there are others who are not businessmen or who are not falling in this category. For example, there may be a man in service and he may also be doing agriculture. So, if agricultural income is to be clubbed, it should be only in the size of businessmen and industrialists and not for service men or anybody else, because otherwise the incentive will be lost. I think instead of taxing them, the government should make them completely tax free and they should give concessions. Only then we can improve. Otherwise, it will be very difficult, and all the time, foreign experts will be coming from various countries, and these white skinned people will cook their own goose and do nothing else, and we will keep on starving and keep on importing from the various countries. Recently, there was unemployment in the rural sector in America, and they requested us to buy 4 million tons of wheat. They gave us credit for that, so it is we who are missing from our side. They will never miss it, sir. As we see in the industry, in agriculture, also there is a regional disparity in the development of agriculture. If we divide the country into three or four zones in the agricultural field in this country, we find a great disparity. In Punjab, the yield per acre is more than the yield per acre even in the USA, because in Punjab 80% of the land comes under irrigated area, whereas if we look at Madhya Pradesh, which has a very big area under cultivation, the irrigated land is only 8%, and therefore the yield per acre is also very low. Formally, as young students of geography, we know only about wheat zones, rice zones, cotton zones, but I feel that under the irrigated areas, even wheat zones can be brought under the rice zone. Therefore, I would like to appeal to the Honorable Minister for Agriculture that in all these areas, forest areas, tribal belt areas, or hilly areas where no survey has so far been conducted, a survey should be undertaken immediately and the land should be brought under some system. Of course, without affecting the tribal interests, there are other associated problems where there is jamming cultivation. Because of this shifting system of cultivation, most of the forest wealth had been destroyed and had been reduced to ashes. Therefore, the main task is to see that this system of jamming is done away with immediately. This will have a very good impact, particularly in the hill areas. Sir, as we know, in the country there are two types of rivers, snow fed rivers and rain fed rivers. Stop. Ready? Start. The Supreme Court of India has rapped judges over the knuckles, asking them to refrain from making casual observations that reveal their communal bias or misogyny. Judicial proceedings are live streamed in some courts across the country with a wide reach beyond the four walls of a courtroom. And the top court was firm that judges and everyone in the judicial fraternity must be aware of the responsibility and act accordingly. The heart and soul of judging is to be fair. It observed and noted that judges must strictly adhere to the values laid down by the Constitution and not be guided by prejudice. Taking show motto cognizance of video clips featuring Karnataka High Court Judge versus Srisananda and his sexist comments to a woman lawyer on two separate judicial proceedings. A five-judge special bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud observed in its order on Wednesday that of the cut remark by judges would show them in a negative light and impact the entire judicial institution adversely. On a previous occasion, the Karnataka High Court judge had referred to a Muslim dominated locality in West Bengaluru as Pakistan. The bench took a stern note of that remark as well, contending you cannot call any part of the territory of India Pakistan. This is fundamentally wrong under the Constitution. Stop.